This got a bunch of booze in it. Let's see if this works out. Ice.
That's so pretty.
Yeah, dude, look how clear that is. Oh my God, I hate messing it up. We starting off with red berry vodka. Now this was sent us by one of you guys, and y'all got a bunch of booze in this for some reason.
Mike.
Y'all showing off your friends.
It's Mike.
Michael, come behind up with some triple sec. I don't go too heavy because there's a lot of stuff going in there. Next, we come behind that with some peach snaps. Michael, you using everything. Talking to him like his dad, Michael. And then he wants us to hit it with a little bit of simple syrup. I mean, this kind of already gonna be sweet, but whatever. The heart wants what it wants. So I can go with Midori first. Now the beauty of Midori or these green liquors is that when you hit them with blue curacao, you get a nice cooler green.
Teal.
You see, that's always our little secret.
We need the lemon juice.
Oh yes, lemon juice now, lemon juice. Mike, what is not in this drink?
That's all booze, basically.
Yeah, that is. Oh my God. Oh my God, I just realized that. The hell you doing, son? Mike!
I think you probably we're meant to have a little more room for this.
I think you need to be grounded if you're drinking that every day, okay? Go in your room and don't ever come out. When you come out again, we'll be in spaceships. Now I can hit this with a little bit of pineapple orange. This can add another color scheme up top. How's that look now?
Green.
I like the drink. I think it's cool. We can put a little orange on the side. Because it's orange and pineapple, you can put a pineapple over here too. You see? And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The green gummy bear. Now, a white gummy bear, that's the popular one everyone knows. That would be raspberry vodka, which is kind of similar to red berry.
It was meant to be raspberry, but we don't have any.
Okay. Then there would be peach snaps, sweet and sour, which is not here, and then Sprite. So he deviated a lot from
we
the original.
we did simple syrup and lemon juice, which is kind of sweet and sour.
Kind of.
Kind of. Close enough.
Yeah, okay, well, yeah, sweet and sour-ish, okay? But this is cool, Mike. However, that is a lot of booze, and your grades have been slipping. So you need to study more, drink less. I'm kidding, watch Mike be a 50-year-old man. But, hey, son, I got grandkids. Anyway, as always, drink responsibly, don't drink and drive. Mike, I'm just joking with you. You know you my boy. Come on, you're using all these colorful, sugary stuff, okay? This got diabetes written all over it. That's my lane. Later.